Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to discuss how to create an account on Netflix. If you want to open an account, create new account on Netflix, what you have to do, you have to simply click on Safari or any kind of browser you have. So you have to open Google and you have to search for Netflix in the Google. So after you have opened Google, you have to search for the Netflix in the Google. As you can see, if I search for Netflix, then here will be option to open the Netflix, so you have to open the Netflix here. After that, the Netflix has opened. You have to simply provide here your email address. So you have to provide that email address you have never used in the Netflix before, because in this way your account will be created. So I am going to provide the email address. Now I have provided here the email address, so you have to simply click on get started. If you click on get started, then your account will be created here. As you can see, you have to click on next. After that, you have to provide here your password. So I am going to do that. So you have to create a strong password so that no one can access your Netflix account. After you have provided password, you have to simply click on please do not email me Netflix special offers. You have to simply click on next. If you click on next, then they will ask you to choose your plan. So if you have to click on next. In this way you can find many options, and there are mobile basic standards, so you have to click on next. After that, your account will be created. After your selection of your payment method, here you can provide the payment method. After providing payment method, your account will be created. Hope you have liked this video. Kindly subscribe our channel.